Greetings and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you've chosen to join me today. Fasting, an ancient practice observed for centuries across various cultures and religions, has recently gained significant attention for its potential health benefits, particularly in the realm of longevity. Unlike conventional dietary restrictions, fasting focuses on abstaining from food for specific periods, allowing the body to tap into its internal resources and activate powerful cellular processes. This essay will delve into the remarkable benefits of fasting, emphasizing its impact on autophagy and its role in promoting a longer, healthier life. Fasting, far from being a modern fad, has deep historical and evolutionary roots. Our ancestors often faced periods of food scarcity and their bodies adapted to thrive during these times. Fasting, in a way, mimics these ancestral eating patterns, triggering a cascade of physiological responses that promote cellular repair, metabolic efficiency, and overall well-being. Contrary to popular belief, fasting is not about deprivation, but rather about giving your body a break from constant digestion and allowing it to focus on other essential functions. This break from food intake triggers a series of metabolic and cellular changes that contribute to improved health and longevity. From weight management and reduced inflammation to enhanced brain function and cellular rejuvenation, the benefits of fasting are numerous and well documented in scientific literature. This essay will explore these benefits in detail, focusing on the remarkable process of autophagy and its profound impact on cellular health and longevity. At the heart of fasting's longevity-boosting effects lies a fascinating cellular process known as autophagy. Derived from the Greek words auto, self, and phagi, eating, autophagy literally translates to self-eating. While this might sound alarming, it's actually a highly beneficial and essential process for cellular health and survival. Imagine your cells as bustling cities, constantly generating energy, producing proteins, and transporting molecules. Like any bustling city, cellular processes generate waste products and damaged components that need to be cleared out to maintain efficiency and prevent dysfunction. This is where autophagy comes in. During autophagy, cells effectively clean house, identifying and breaking down damaged proteins, dysfunctional organelles, and other cellular debris. These broken down components are then recycled to generate energy or used as building blocks for new cellular structures. This cellular recycling process is crucial for maintaining cellular health, preventing the accumulation of toxic waste products, and ensuring the proper functioning of cellular processes. Autophagy acts as a cellular rejuvenation system, promoting cellular repair and preventing premature aging. The significance of autophagy in promoting health and longevity is not merely a theoretical concept, but is backed by a growing body of scientific evidence. Researchers worldwide are actively investigating the intricacies of autophagy and its role in various physiological processes. One of the most notable figures in autophagy research is Japanese cell biologist Yoshinori Ohsumi, who was awarded the 2016 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his groundbreaking discoveries of the mechanisms underlying autophagy. Ohsumi's pioneering work using yeast cells as a model organism paved the way for a deeper understanding of this essential cellular process. Since Ohsumi's initial discoveries, numerous studies have confirmed the crucial role of autophagy in maintaining cellular health and protecting against various diseases including cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and metabolic diseases. These studies have shown that enhancing autophagy through interventions like fasting can have profound therapeutic benefits. From animal models to human clinical trials, the evidence supporting the health benefits of fasting and its impact on autophagy continues to mount. Researchers are actively exploring the potential of fasting as a therapeutic strategy for a wide range of age-related diseases, paving the way for new approaches to promoting healthy aging. Section 4. Exploring different fasting methods. Fasting is a flexible practice with various methods to suit individual needs and lifestyles. Each method involves abstaining from food, triggering cellular responses like autophagy. Intermittent fasting cycles between eating and fasting periods. Common protocols include the 16-8 method and the 5-2 method. Alternate day fasting alternates between fasting and eating days. It's popular for weight management and metabolic health. Choose a method based on preferences, health goals, and lifestyle. Consult a healthcare provider before starting any fasting regimen. Section 5. The metabolic switch. from glucose to ketones. One of the remarkable metabolic adaptations that occur during fasting is the body's shift from using glucose as its primary fuel source to utilizing ketones. This metabolic switch, known as ketosis, has profound implications for cellular energy production and overall health. Under normal circumstances, the body relies on glucose, derived from carbohydrates, as its primary fuel source. However, during fasting, when glucose stores are depleted, the liver steps in to produce ketones from stored fat. Ketones, unlike glucose, can readily cross the blood-brain barrier, providing an alternative energy source for the brain, which is highly energy-demanding. Ketones are a more efficient fuel source than glucose, generating more energy per unit of oxygen consumed. This metabolic switch to ketones has several health benefits. Ketones have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect against oxidative stress, all of which contribute to longevity. The metabolic flexibility gained through fasting, allowing the body to seamlessly switch between glucose and ketone utilization, is a hallmark of metabolic health. Section 6. Fasting and its impact on longevity. Fasting has been extensively studied for its potential to extend lifespan and improve overall health. Research suggests that fasting can activate various longevity pathways, such as increased autophagy, reduced oxidative stress, and improved insulin sensitivity. One key mechanism by which fasting promotes longevity is through the reduction of oxidative stress. By decreasing the production of reactive oxygen species, fasting helps to protect cells from damage and maintain cellular integrity over time. Additionally, fasting has been shown to enhance autophagy, a process that helps clear out damaged cells and regenerate new healthy ones. This cellular cleanup process is crucial for maintaining tissue health and function as we age. Fasting also improves insulin sensitivity, which is vital for metabolic health. Enhanced insulin sensitivity can help prevent age-related diseases such as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Moreover, fasting can stimulate the production of growth factors that promote tissue repair and regeneration, contributing to overall longevity. By incorporating fasting into a healthy lifestyle, individuals may be able to unlock these powerful benefits and support long-term health and vitality. Section 7. Embracing fasting for a healthier life. Fasting is more than just a dietary choice. It's a holistic approach to health and well-being. By understanding the various fasting methods and their benefits, individuals can make informed decisions that align with their health goals and lifestyles. It's important to remember that fasting is not suitable for everyone, and individual needs and health conditions should always be considered. Consulting with a healthcare provider before starting any fasting regimen is essential to ensure it is safe and appropriate. For those who can incorporate fasting into their lives, the potential benefits are vast. From improved metabolic health to enhanced longevity, fasting offers a powerful tool for achieving and maintaining optimal health. So as you consider embracing fasting, take the time to explore the different methods, listen to your body, and seek professional guidance. With the right approach, fasting can become a valuable part of your journey toward a healthier, more vibrant life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends and subscribe for more awesome videos.